Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Legion, and today I would like to show you how you can change the boot apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and tap on Home button. Now you need to access device settings. Then scroll down and choose Apps Management, over here. Then click on Default Apps and choose one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Browser App, tap on the one that I wish to set up, in this case Opera, and tap on the back button. As you can see, Default App on my Lenovo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!